Well, hello everybody and welcome to another devlog video. So I'm quite excited about that one because you will see there is a lot of new feature on the paint and sticker side. So really, watch the full video because it gets better and better. So the first new feature on the paint side is the fact that now you guys will be painted only the side of the block and not the full block, so which I think much more sense like that. So it's how paint is supposed to work in the real world, but also yeah, I think it solves an important design flaw with the paint. So typically when you want to have, like, for example, your ship livery on the outside and then you want to have the inside of a different color, having that paint on just a side is going to be much nicer for you to achieve the design of your dream, basically. So that's the first new feature. Then we have a lot other stuff. So the first one being the new color sample. So the color was selection was a bit messy. It was not really logical and so on. So I've really changed everything. So your color might change a little bit, so hopefully you won't have to do too much work to adapt your ship. But yeah, so that's basically the new color sample with some bright and saturated color, the same color in a bit darker way, some gray and blacks and white, and then these color are a bit experimental for now, so they will likely change a bit. But now the great thing is you can really customize your color. So you can so let me paint first. So you can click on the customize paint, for example, on that red, and you can change the color a little bit. So for example, you can make it a bit orange like that. So yeah, that's really the idea. So I think it's a really cool thing. So all the color are customizable. So yeah, you have you don't like one color, or you're not using it in that particular ship, you can change it. So that's the idea. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. So yeah, first let me show you the old stripe block. So the way we were doing this stripe block was a bit frustrating, let's say, because I think a lot of people were kind of expecting to have a different shape. So what if you want a different shape, or what if you want a different a stripe pattern or something a bit smaller or whatnot. So adding a new block each time you want a new variation is not something very much elegant and workable. So I think the best way to solve that problem was really with the new tech, which is the pattern tech. So let me just show you that. So now it's really basically exactly like a paint, and so you can really select so this four over here and start to paint your pattern the way you want. So I think yeah, it's gonna be much nicer, and obviously as you can paint only the side of your block if you want. So yeah, it's much better. And the way it works, so you just select, you click customize, and then okay, so you have to reselect that, and then you click on pattern over here, and then you can select your pattern. So there is quite a few one, but I'm gonna add a lot more. But yeah, with that you can really go wild and create a lot of stuff. So let me change the color a bit. Yeah, maybe some green. So yeah, so that's really the idea. I think it's much nicer, and yeah, I can't wait to see what you will do with that. And yeah, let me show you also. I also have like some kind of Tetris like effects, and there is a secondary color, so you can really customize both your primary and secondary color, which I think is going to be really cool. So let me show you that, and then I can paint that. So I have very subtle camo pattern in a sense. So I'm gonna add a lot more pattern and so on. So for now it's a bit experimental, but that's the idea. So I hope you like that. So now I will switch to the main feature, let's say, which is the new sticker technology. So now actually they are called stencil. But first let me show you actually what was looking the old one, because you will see it was it was really just really bad, and quite they needed really a refresh. So that's the old sticker. So let me show you. So that was how it was working. So it was basically just a brick that you can color and put on the side. So it was not very elegant. There was a lot of design issues. For example, it was like sticking in the void. You are not able to put them on a wedge, for example. So yeah, you can't put anything on a wedge. If you start to stack them, they will don't look great at all. So it's not it was not really a good technology. So but you will see with the new thing, everything is much better. So this is the new stencil. So you can grab one and then so let's paint it. And you can paint it on a different color. So let's paint it red. And the first thing you can see is that actually it's not really a mini flat brick like before. So it's really a different paint that is applied to your block. So you still see the texture beneath. So it's really it's looking much nicer and blend really much better into your build. So I think it's really nice. And the second thing is obviously you can now put them on wedge. So it's much nicer. So as you can see right here, so you can put you can put that on a wedge, and then you can also stack them. So for example, let's do that. You can remove just target them and remove and play like this, and you can really stack them and paint each one separately, and so you can really create really nice effects. So let me show you. For example, you can, for example, let's take that big triangle. Okay, let's put a smaller one over here, and then let's paint the exterior in red and the interior like that. Okay, so you can really combine them and create some I think hopefully some interesting effect with them. And I think it's gonna be it's basically, I think, a new dimension, a new way for you to explore and create really amazing stuff. Hopefully I will add a lot more sticker. I might also add change a bit the technology to have like smaller scale sticker, because right now they are on a single face. Basically you cannot really position them precisely for the smaller one, and I think that's something I will have to change. But that's really the idea. And the cool thing is that you can you can really, for example, mix that with the new pattern tech also to create some stuff that are cool looking. And so that's really the idea. And the last thing I want to show, but it's more a small preview, let's say, of what it is possible to do with that tech. So I can also have something that will actually carve out inside the block. So it's looking a bit weird right now because you cannot already paint it, so it's a bit experimental. But this is definitely the kind of thing that is possible with that new technology. So that's a really cool fact. And so I hope you like that. I think it was really something very important in my vision. And I saw you guys using the old crappy stencil quite a bit, and it was frustrating for me because it was not looking very good. So now I hope with that it's gonna be much better. And also, as you know, my focus soon will be 100% gameplay. So that update, which was a pretty heavy one to get everything changed with the new color, the custom and the face and so on. So it was one of the last big refactoring needed on the building side. Now it will be mainly about small refactor and improvement and optimization, that kind of stuff. And that really stencil technology is something I'm gonna use a lot for gameplay. So typically when your ship will be hit by a laser blast or something like that, I will be able to spawn a sticker to of laser impact and so on the ship. So it will look a lot more personal and a lot more real in a sense. So I think that's something. Yeah, that's something that will be much nicer for you. So that's really the idea. So let me play again with that pattern technology. So which is really cool because yeah. So typically, what was frustrating, especially when I did that little guy, the droid that I need to fix, because there is quite a few issues. I was a bit frustrated because I wanted to have basically smaller stripe, so with a brick base. So with that tech, it's gonna be something possible. So that's the idea, guys. Thanks for following the game, and see you in the next one.